Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add multiple videos to Instagram story with this picture-in-picture effect. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. Please don't look for this feature in Instagram itself. Yes, you can add multiple videos, but they will be added in order. So to add picture-in-picture video, you need to use video editing applications. The first popular app is CapCut, so get it from Google Play Store or App Store, then open the application, give all permissions on the first launch, watch ad because it's freemium, but free version is good enough, create new project, select your first video only first, add to your project, and next find the overlay icon at the bottom panel, hit overlay, add overlay, and select your second video. Add to project. Now resize your overlay video, move across the screen like this. Now go back, these arrows, back once again. Now edit your video, add audio, add text, effects, captions, and so on. And next you need to export. So select quality over here, frame rates, code rates. Okay, and now let's export. Now you can close CapCut, open your Instagram application, add a new story, hit on your profile icon, select your new video, and just make your adjustments over here and post the story. That's pretty it, your story has appeared. And similar free application is InShot Video Editor. Let's open the app. Give all permissions, create new video, new one. Now select your first video, confirm. And now you need to find the icon PIP over here. So PIP, let's find the second video, this one. Now enlarge it or diminish, move across the screen, and so on. Next, click on this check mark, make your edits, hit export, select quality, and confirm. Let's convert a video. Now just go to Instagram and post your brand new story. Guys, I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.